Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about partial derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer this one. That means we need to do first derivative of f with respect to s. So this one we have s, f and s, y. So we just do first derivative s, f and s. So for this one we need to do first derivative of s multiplied by f and s. Later that we need to do first derivative of f and s multiplied by s, and we have y in here. So if we simplify this one, we have number 1. So we just write f and s. This one we have 1 over s. 1 over s with s we have number 1. And this is the answer for the question number 1. Question number 2. We need to find first derivative of f with respect to y. So we just do first derivative of y only. And we have number 1, s, f and s. So we can write like this. And the last one, first derivative of f with respect to z. In this one, we don't have z. So we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.